am Jyoti Kumari, Assistant Professor in RPIIT campus. It is an introductory class for blood bank. Introduction. Blood bank is a bank of blood and blood components gathered as a result of blood donation, stored and preserved for a later use in blood transfusion. The term blood bank typically refers to a division of a hospital laboratory where the storage of blood product occurs and proper testing of blood is performed due to risk of to reduce the risk of transfusion related events. Now we have to understand why we transfuse blood. In case of anemia, in case of blood loss could be due to injury, accident or surgery. In case of leukemia, if patient having coagulation factor deficiency, and in case of pregnancy. Now, how blood bank works. If a patient need a blood, then patient family member act as a donor and they donate blood to blood bank. But in some another cases such as in leukemia or blood donating camp, there is a voluntary donor who donate blood for mankind, not for any personal purpose. Then in blood bank, technicians check out the blood and this called processing in the blood bank. Then finally blood can transfuse to the patient. Here we can understand the difference between blood donor and blood recipient. Blood donor is a person who donates, basically who gives the blood to the blood blood recipient. But blood recipient is a person who receives the blood from the blood donor for a therapeutic purpose. Here types of work is done in the blood bank. First, blood grouping is done. Blood grouping is done by forward grouping or it can be done by reverse grouping. Then TDI testing is done to detect the viral infection. For example, HIV, human immunovirus, hepatitis B and C, malaria, syphilis. Then component preparation is done. Packed red blood cell, leukocyte, platelets, fresh frozen plasma, cryoprecipitate. These all are. This is all about the blood bank. Thank you.